Are you looking for the laser engraving? In this video we are looking 5 best laser engraving. We'll explore its key features, performance, and overall value to help you determine if it's the right choice for you. Before we get started with our video, we have included link in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is your budget range. Number 1. Longer Laser Engraver. Ray 55W Higher Accuracy DIY Laser Engraving Machine with 3.5-inch touchscreen, offline usage laser cutter, 400x400mm 0.08mm laser spot, CNC laser cutter for wood metal acrylic glass. High-speed performance, Laser Class 2, equipped with a cutting-edge 240 MHz ESP32 chipset, the longer Ray 5000 MW laser engraver achieves impressive speeds of up to 10,000 mm per minute. Its advanced processing power and multi-core architecture ensures superior compatibility and energy efficiency. High-precision laser engraving, the longer Ray 5 laser engraver 5000 MW utilizes advanced laser technology, featuring a laser point size of 0.08 by 0.08 mm and an engraving accuracy of 0.01 mm. This ensures precise engraving down to 0.01 mm, enabling intricate designs and detailed patterns. Meets various engraving needs. With its spacious 400 by 400 mm working area, the longer Ray 55W laser engraving and cutting machine accommodates projects of different sizes, ensuring versatility in engraving tasks. Flexible connectivity, the longer Ray 5000 MW laser engraver supports USB, TF card, Wi-Fi, and app connections for offline use. It's compatible with popular engraving software like Laser GRBL and Lightburn, giving you options to suit your needs. Safety features, the longer Ray 5000 MW laser engraving machine ensures safety with emergency shutdown and motion protection features. It also detects and prevents overheating, and comes with protective covers and goggles for added safety. Number 2. Sculpfun C1 Mini Laser Engraver, 3W Portable Laser Engraving Machine with 0.04mm ultra-fine spot, work for DIY beginners, plywood, leather, craft paper, slate, engraving area 150 by 130 mm. Ultrafine 3W Laser Precision, Sculpfun C1 uses the 3W diode laser with 0.04mm ultrafine laser focus. It has superfine engraving ability which can present high-definition engraving images. This laser engraver is suitable for engraving detailed objects and support more than 100 kinds of materials for engraving, such as wood, leather, slate, craft paper, leaf, acrylic, etc. Small and portable, C1 is one of the smallest portable laser engravers on the market. Its compact size and lightweight design make it very portable, allowing users to easily take it anywhere. It is smaller and lighter than most engraving machines, and does not take up too much space. In spite of its mini size, the Sculpfun C1 laser engraver offers a large engraving area of 150 by 130 mm, maximizing the space utilization, and it allows users to process several small items simultaneously. Precise positioning, equipped with limit switches on the X-axis and Y-axis to ensure safety and provide an easy reset option, which realize precise positioning for complex and detailed projects. Wide compatibility, it can be used with professional laser engraving software Lightburn and Laser GRBL, and is easy setup with Windows and Mac OS systems, allowing you to work smoothly. Moreover, it has a strong image input function that supports multiple common image formats such as JPG, PNG, BMP, GIF, SVG, AI, etc., providing a rich and diverse material selection for your creative ideas to meet the usage needs in different scenarios. Number 3. Laser Tree Laser Engraver Module. 4000 mW optical power, laser engraving cutting module, adjustable focal, 450 nm laser head for laser engraver cutter machine DIY wood paper leather, Class 4. Brand, Laser Tree. Material, aluminum. Color, black. Product dimensions, 3.74 inch LX 1.38 W. Style, laser. Laser module, 4W, 4000 mW, optical laser power output. Line width is narrower and suitable for ordinary plywood, adjustable laser head, adjustable focus, 20 mm to 50 mm, easy to adjust, ensures engraving with good quality and high efficiency. 4000 mW optical laser module can cut through 1 to 2 mm plywood in one pass. Class level, Class 1. Original diode with FAC, the blue laser module with original diode, high stability, high efficiency, and high quality. Bright blue violet light, easy to locate when engraving. Adjustable focus laser head suitable for DIY engraving machine, 3-axis engraving machine, upgrade or replacement, easy to install. EA to assemble. This diode laser module is small, compact, convenient, and easy to install. Size, 35 by 35 by 99.6 mm wavelength, 450 nanometers, input, DC 12V 1.68, 1.4-1.8A, power adjustable, support 5V PWM modulation, input port, XH 2.54-3P socket, control line installation method, pluggable. Package include, 1 asterisk laser module, 1 asterisk 3-pin cable. Widely used materials, the laser engraving module can be used to engrave MDF, wood, paper, leather, bamboo, plastic, rubber, alumina, stainless steel, etc. Comprehensive and trustworthy after-sales service, our modules are suitable for PWM signal-controlled laser engraver laser cutter machines, CNC machines, and 3D printers and so on. But due to the many brands and models of machines, not all of them can be plug-and-play. If you need a pre-sale consultation of the laser module or encounter any problems, please feel free to contact us directly. We will troubleshoot and solve the problem for you. Number 4. Creality Falcon A1 Pro 20W Laser Engraver. Full enclosed 180W output laser engraver machine, touchscreen, autofocus, app control, pre-assembled, ideal for wood and metal, Class 1 safety. Smart touchscreen and app control. The Creality Falcon A1 Pro 20W laser engraver machine boasts a sleek, smartphone-style touchscreen for effortless, cable-free operation. Intelligent app control elevates your workflow with real-time monitoring from anywhere, whether on the couch or in the kitchen, keeping you instantly informed so you can multitask with confidence. 3 times faster speed and 8 safety shields. Creality A1 Pro 20W laser engraver outpaces its peers with speeds up to 600 mm per second, 3 times faster, delivering batch efficiency to meet most needs. Dual protective covers filter 99% of light, protecting your eyes without goggles, while the enclosed design blocks smoke and noise. An internal fan speeds smoke removal, and safety is enhanced by an emergency stop and lid open halt feature. HD camera and leading autofocus. Falcon A1 Pro laser engraver machine high-definition camera previews the entire workspace, enabling precise object positioning for flawless cuts and engravings. Its camera control module, AI vision system, red dot ranging laser, and Z-axis auto lift deliver automatic focusing in just 3 seconds, achieving measurement accuracy within 0.012 inches for perfect results from the very first cut. Pre-assembly in Falcon design. The Falcon A1 Pro 20W laser engraver arrives 80% pre-assembled, requiring only minimal setup to begin creating, ideal for seasoned designers and small businesses alike. With Falcon Design Space, effortlessly manage model selection, printing, and monitoring. Its streamlined UI offers intuitive guidance, enabling anyone to master the A1 Pro with ease, no expertise needed. Number 5. Creality Enclosure for laser engraver, laser engraving machine protective cover with eye protection, insulates against fumes and odors for laser cutting enclosure tent. Enclosed design, isolates smoke. This enclosure not only keeps the laser engraver from water and dust, but also isolates noise, fire, smoke and odors generated by the laser engraver during working. Bring a more comfortable engraving experience. Expel smoke, keep clean. The built-in smoke ventilation system helps expel the smoke and dust during engraving or cutting in time to keep the internal air clean. Large size, highly compatible. This laser engraver enclosure with large space of 28.3.5 * 27.5 * 15.7 inch, 720 by 700 by 400 mm. Compatible with most engraving machines on the market, such as Stuhl D1, D1 Pro, Creality CR Laser Falcon Order, Sculpfun, Atom Stack laser engravers. The higher size allows to install the rotary roller, meets all your engraving needs. Large viewing design, real-time observation, transparent visible design filters blue light and protects your eyes. The large viewing window is convenient for observing the engraving progress at any time. Official after-sales service, our engraver was pre-assembled for quick usage which is friendly for beginners. We have uploaded installation video on listing, which can clearly guide you to install and use the laser engraving machine. At the same time, you can email us at any time when you encounter problems. We provide lifetime technical support, 18-month warranty, and 24-hour professional customer service. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon and commenting below. Check out the description to find product link.